Okay, so I've been using the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S Lite for a while now, and I must say that even if it's a TFT display, 10.4-inch TFT display, I think this device is perfect for video watching, for example. I really like this tablet for that. You can easily watch Plex movies in 4K on this one. Works great actually. So I really love that. And you can watch YouTube movies in 4K too, but then you need to use a web browser, for example, Samsung Internet web browser, and using YouTube in the browser. Then you can use and watch 4K movies on this too. But in the YouTube app itself, you can't watch 4K YouTube videos because it's locked on 1080p in this one. And the reason for that is because this tablet doesn't have 4K resolution. It only has 1200 by 2000 pixels. But if you watch 4K movie on this one, they looks better than if you watch them in only 1080p. So that's a reason why I recommend watching in 4K even if the display doesn't support 4K. And sometimes it's a bit slow. I can see when I have a lot of apps open and so on, and that's probably because of the CPU and only 4 GB of RAM memory. But if you use this for content consuming, I think it's a great tablet to have actually. I think I really like this tablet actually. I could actually buy this one for just watching movies. And it has LTE connections, so you can have a SIM card in it and so on, so you don't need to have it at home and so on. So that's really great. And the 8 megapixel camera on the back is not so much to talk about actually, but it could be good to have when you need to take photos of something and you don't have your phone, for example, or if you need to take a video, for example, a B-roll for your YouTube movie and you don't have anything else to record videos with. You can do this with this one in 1080p, so that's great. So I can highly recommend this tablet actually. If you need a tablet to just have for content consuming and so on, I think this is a great device for that. The screen is 10.4-inch only, so it's a bit small actually. But when I had an iPad, it was only 9.7-inch, so it's a larger display than that. So it's okay actually. Okay, bye.